What's up, guys? Welcome back to another adventure. I hope everyone is doing well. As you can see on the background, I'm out again with my boys, Lawrence and AJ. We are here at a place called Fairford in Manitoba, and today we are going to hunt for freshwater drum, aka sheep's head, aka silver bass. And today is not just a regular silver bass that we are going to hunt, but master actor size ones. Stay tuned, guys, okay? And if you like these kinds of content, please do hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. It will help us a lot. Thank you. See you later. We left Winnipeg like 5 something. So, yun. We're just getting set up. Hopefully we can catch some good ones today. Okay, all good. Yeah, that's what I said. We are at Fairford in Manitoba, and we're just hoping something will play with us today. So, yan na. Yeah. Stay tuned, guys. Araw. Hey, so my spinning setup is Sienna 6:2:1 gear ratio. My SLX rod, 10-pound test, braid, main line, and then 10 pounds fluorocarbon leader. And this is 8:2:1 gear ratio. And then the other one is my Shimano SLX DC. It's a 30-pound braid with 20-pound fluoro leaders. Yeah, let's get her on. Right. Woo! Haha, this is my spot. Ano yan, meron? Nandito bait fish. We've been here a few times already. Oh, yun. Medyo naninibago lang ako ng konti. It's been 2 weeks since I went out fishing. 2 weeks na. Lawrence, sabi ko sa'yo, huwag kang mag-ano rito. Sayang lang yung spoon mo. Trust me. Sayang lang yung spoon mo dito. Pag sumabit yan. Op! Oy. Meron, may kumakagat. Ayun o, laki o. Nginig si Lawrence. Up! Ah! Uy! I got what? Meron eh. That one, sayang. Meron eh. Yun, yun oh. Andyan lang sila oh. We move up a bit doon, banda ron tayo. Kasi medyo mababaw dito eh. Although dito ako nakahuli nung ano, dito ko nahuli yung 29-inch ko dati. But I don't know. I don't think the fish are here yet. Pero we'll see. Kasi medyo, it's still a bit cold. So, hopefully. Second spot. Let's see. Ito nga muna. Gonna try something light. Sa kumahagis yan. Ah! Bobo. Hahagis, hindi naka-open ang beltang ah. Eh? Uy, hawk. Ganda oh. Yun lang, ang daming ano. Ha? Oh, Lawrence. Ano, maalis na rin sila doon. Ano? Ikutan na natin. Ayaw ah. Meron na? Oh, yun. Mukhang meron na si Lawrence. Ha? Oh, ayan. I think Lawrence has a bite. Oh. Hindi, antayin mo lang. Pag pumalo yan, tapos yumuko, yun na. Yeah, so, yeah. Look. Wala pa rin. No one. No one is catching fish. Pero yung banda ron, yun nandun sila. Yun yung mga nahuhuli. Water is a bit high. Oh. Okay. But I think it's still cold. Kaya wala. Hindi pa masyado active ang fish. Naka-what? Ilan yan? Kahit naka-J-hook ka. Spike. Yeah. Ay, tinamaan sa mata.
Parang kulay.
Sorry. Sorry about that. Slimy. First fish. First fish. First fish, guys. Woo. First fish. Ooh. First fish, guys. Yeah. First fish. Fairford pike. First fish. But na-release yun na. Thank you for playing. Thank you for playing. Okay, bye-bye. Sayang, pumusta pala ako. Sorry, I turned off my camera. First fish, first pike. I wasn't expecting a pike today, but yeah, we got one. Ayan na, let's get it on. So give it a bit of a drag. Let it run for a bit. There you go. Oop, let's see what they caught. Let's catch that on camera. Is that a carp? Carp! Oh, bass! Silver bass! Yeah, it's good na, it's good size, yeah. Positive, meron! Nice, good job. Nice. Ilalim, nasa ilalim. Bottom, bottom.
So palit muna tayo. Kung hindi ko na trip tong jig head na to. Try something else. Gamitin natin yung ating mga heavy artillery. BT jig head. Okay, 3 ounce. So syempre, uni knot. Favorite thing to do. Okay. As of the moment, still got one fish. Meron! I think this is what I'm looking for too. Pike na naman. It's another pike. What the heck? You love my bait, huh? Stop. Yeah, stop, man. You already got my bait. Second fish. Wala akong basahan as always. I forgot. Okay. Third pike? Second pike? Pero ba't ganun? They only want my bait. Okay, second pike. Okay, Lawrence, meron na. Alright. Hold on. Ano yan?
Oops, 80 pounds yan.
What's that?
Yung rig ko lang ang magkakaproblema.
Hindi, sige. Hayaan mo lang siya. Uy, bass.
Bass?
Bass. Ang laki oh. Oh, master na to. Asan yung bump board? Kunin mo.
Sandukin mo muna.
Teka lang. Nice. Oh, ayan na.
Kagat ka ng kagat kanina.
Oh,
Oh, shoot.
ayun na, wala na oh. Hawakan mo sa bibig, tsaka sa
May ngipin ba to?
Wala! Oh, hawakan mo dyan. Oh, tapos hawakan mo buntot para hindi magpipipiglas.
Uy, shoot.
Sabi. Oh. Tika. Pipicturean kita ha. Pa-submit mo yan. Okay. Wala guys. Third fish for me.
Sorry, dinedlip ko.
Wala niya kay hinila mo.
Dinedlip ko na.
12 pounds lang ako eh. Oh guys. One walleye.
Pro net?
Yes, parang walleye ba? Sa amin.
To make sure. Just to make sure, buddy. Thank you very much.
Parang walleye.
Ah!
Oh.
Gagaling ko dyan sa'yo, ha?
Ako maningatan na dawa na.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, it's not that. It's not the answer I'm looking for.
Dek lang, minunok mo. No. Yeah! Nice! Good job, boy!
Thank you. Thank you for the net. Hindi na ako pintahin.
Pero mo kung ano, nagsan yung mga laps.
Show ko na lang ang straight at isa.
12-pound test, boy. 12-pound test. At na po.
Yoko.
Parang doon, lalap.
Namang kayo.
Ito to. Pork drum. But it's not the one that we're looking for. You want it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give this to this guys. Ay, putsa. Naglalaroan ako ng mga isda na to. Oh, raramdaman mo eh. Pak, 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 pak. Ang dami. Tapos pag i-hook set mo na, wala na. It's a drum, boys. It's my 5th one. Drum to, drum. Although 12-pound test lang kasi itong ano ko. I'm thinking this is my master. Hindi ko bibigay sa kanila to. I'm thinking this is a master. Hopefully, it's a master that I'm seeking to catch. Ayun. Yel, paglapit Yel salukin mo na agad. Yes! Yes! Yun, patay. Master na. Specialist na ako, Brad. Specialist, boy. Yes! Woohoo! Oh! Bump board. I need the bump board. Yes! Master to! Speaking of the devil, tulog naman. It's a master, I think.
Kailan mo phone mo?
Wait lang. Oh, sakto, 24. Yes! Teka lang Success! I got my 5th one. I caught the fish on this one. It's just a regular swim jig, BT jigs and Minnow Z by Z-Man. Haha! So, specialist technically. 12-pound test, boys. 12-pound test. Hopefully, ma-beat pa. It's only 24 inches on the dot. So, yes! Hopefully, we can catch more. Stay tuned. Lunch break. Kaya lang, we have another story to tell. Wala kaming pinggan. Wala kaming kutsara. Walang lutuan. So, ending, dito kami kumakain. Ito pa. Pero, props dito sa dalawan to. Panalo yung mga dala nilang pagkain. The best. Kaya nakiusap kami dun. We asked them if we can cook gamit yung ano nila, pan nila. They said yes, so it's okay. Shout outs po sa inyo. Another story to tell. Whoa! At last! Give it some drag. Oy! Kala nyo Ako din. Yel! Net, Yel! Yel, net! Oh, wait. Wait, I can't lose this one. They're all active. Wait lang.
Ano mo muna?
Sukatin mo muna. I only have 10 pounds eh. From. Yes, nice. What size is this? Oy! Yeah. It's our what? Wait. Yeah, I know. Don't do that, please. Let's make haste, boys. Ay. I'm not sure.
There you go.
Alam mo no, sa camera dun, oh, you know. Let me see. Oh, this is Lawrence fish. Yan. Oh, good job.
Gold.
Yeah, grass carp, right? Oh, yeah, release mo na. Go, release it.
Hot on bread.
Nice. Oh, my third drum of the day. Whew. Oh, yours.
Alright, kiddo. You go keep an eye on my rod, okay?
Wait, may nahuli na naman sila. Hoy, kaway! Woo! Oh, wait lang. Kunin daw yung bump board. Pero okay na rin to. At least makulimlim. Sun is not out. It's cloudy. Although it's already humid. So, perfect condition. Let's see. Grabe, nahuli ko yung 10-pound test. Kaya lang, hindi ko na nasukat nga eh. Kalimutan ko rin yung bump board eh. Oh, okay na. Baka mo. Ulo ha, ulo. Kailangan naka ano yung bibig ha. Ilan? Sakto ba? Wala, 20 ano lang. 22 and a half.
Wala nung palipik.
Oh! Adi ginulpi-gulpi na yan. That's my fifth. 2 drums, 2 pikes, and 1 walleye. Good day.